The Electoral Commission declares that it is ready to receive potential voters at registration stations.
Konke sekumi ngomumo, i-IEC ithi sikulungele ukwemukela abavoti.
Participation in the local government election is important as municipal councils play a crucial role in providing services that directly affect people on a daily basis. Electoral participation, which is impossible without registration, provides an opportunity to shape the local affairs of communities.
Ngalempelasonto i-IEC zizovula Izikhungo engaphezulu kweinkulungwane engamashumi-23 ijube izisebenzi zayo ezibalelwa einkulungwaneni engamashumi-46. Izwe selisalelwe isikhathi esingaphansi kwezinyanga ezimbili ngaphambi kokhetho.
Special vote in these elections are going to assume heightened importance. We need to decongest voting stations by way of special votes.
Lekhomishana iphinde yamukela isinqumo somnyango wemfundo eyisisekelo sokuguqula usuku lokuqala kwezivivinyo zikamatikuletsheni.
This gesture from the minister will enable the young voters who are writing these examinations to participate in the elections.
I-IEC ithi kuzolandelwa yonke imigomo yokunqanda i-COVID-19 ngalempelasonto.